Hello! Today we will show you how to morph objects using Pose Morph tag. First, make a base object. For this, create a sphere by clicking and holding on the cube icon and choosing sphere from the pop-up palette. Go to the Object tab of the sphere, increase the number of segments to 200, and make the sphere editable by clicking on the Make Editable logo. This sphere will be the base object. Second, make a morph target by deforming the base object. To do this, duplicate the sphere by pressing the Control button on your keyboard and clicking and dragging down the sphere in the Object Manager. The Sphere 1 object has been created. With the Sphere 1 object selected, activate the Magnet tool by opening the Mesh menu, selecting Move, and clicking on Magnet. Go to the Options tab of the Magnet tool. Switch the mode to Surface so that the mesh moves perpendicular to the surface, and click and drag in several places on the Sphere 1 to make several spikes. Rotate the default camera to access different sides of the object. Now let's create a Pose Morph tag. For this, right-click on the base sphere in the Object Manager, select Rigging Tags, and click on Pose Morph. The Pose Morph tag has appeared to the right of the sphere in the Object Manager. Go to the attributes of the Pose Morph, move down to the Mixing section, and check the Points box to enable morphing of the object's points. Go to the Tag tab of the Pose Morph, delete the pose 0 from the poses list, and drag and drop the Sphere 1 to the poses list. Press Yes button here. Make the Sphere 1 invisible in the viewport and in the render by double-clicking on the top and bottom visibility dots to the right of it, and drag the strength property of the Pose Morph tag. At 0 strength, we see the base object, and at 100% strength, we see the morph target. Switch to Points mode to see the movements of the sphere's points. Let's animate the strength property. For this, go to the Tag tab of the Pose Morph and switch the mode from Edit to Animate. Make sure that the time slider is at frame 0, set the strength to 0, and click on the diamond to the left of the strength to create the first keyframe. Move the time slider to frame 90, set the strength to 100%, and create the second keyframe. Go to the start of the timeline and press the Play Forwards button to test the animation. Deselect the sphere by clicking on empty space in the Object Manager. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel, and put your finger up.